Okay, I'm here in my mum's car and I'm going for a joyride without my buddy Jerald because he is sick over there, lying down, sleeping in those healing pods. They're meant to heal him, apparently. Okay, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Gosh, I wish Jerald was here. Because look at my legs. My legs hanging out my bum. What was that noise? Someone's coming. Please don't hurt me. I'm a virgin. Oh, Jerald, stop!
Oh, I thought you were an intruder. Well,
no, I'm just a virgin.
Okay, you don't need to say that. Don't need to get age restricted. Well, I'm already age restricted, I think. I just had the camera tilted like this because I'm stupid. I don't know how to hold a camera.
Jerald, stop being stupid.
I'm sorry. Let me just get my stupid camera like this.
I don't know how to drive. I'm underage. I'm only 9. I shouldn't be driving.
Do you know a guy called Super Link Bear? Link Bear, his name's Link Bear. He's only 3, and he can drive better than you.
This is a manual. I don't know how to drive manuals.
You do know who Link Bear is?
Yes.
Well, okay.
You need to subscribe to him. He's the best YouTuber in the world.
No, he's not.
Shut up.
You shut up.
Go back to bed. You're too sick.
Oh, fine. Jeez.
I don't want you dying.
I'm not gonna die.
You've got the virus.
Oh, the coronavirus?
Yes. You should go home and drink some Coronas.
Coronas?
Yes.
What the heck's Coronas?
Wait, what's the name of the alcohol drink?
Oh, fire brandy?
Yes, that.
Okay, I actually think I have some in my cupboard.
Just pour it over wherever you got it.
Alright, I'm going.
I just helped my mate Jerald. Little does he know, I put fire ants in it.
Okay, I got my Corona drink, and I'm gonna drink it up. Oh, that's some good stuff. Whew. Wait, I think I hear someone. Must be just hearing things. Wait a minute. Is he out there? Where's Woody? Where's Woody? Haven't seen him in ages. Hang on. Oh, that's actually pretty good. Oh, I wonder where Woody is. Is he out here?
Woody.
Wait, what?
My name's David.
Oh. I'm sorry, viewers. I kind of forgot. Anyways, let's go back to the drink. Oh, I'm going to start driving. Alright. Chewy boy! Chewy boy! Wait! Chewy boy! Chewy boy! Now, where's David? I haven't seen him. And he should be popping out. Alright. What is that noise?
What do you want?
What is that ridiculous outfit on that says...
It's my new Supreme hoodie. It's a bit too big for me.
A bit too big?
Yes.
It's more like a lot too big.
I've got something to tell you.
What?
I put fire ants in that drink.
My belly's burning! My belly's burning!
Haha, you can't get me.
Oh, you just wait. You just wait, boy. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Alright. Let's just cut to it. Already been done. And I will find him. Hang on. Let's go! What's going on?
I'm trying to make a YouTube video.
What happened to your voice?
I ripped my voice box out.
Now it should be fixed. Because I do not like that.
I am David.
That's better. Anyways, what were you doing?
I was filming a YouTube video.
Sorry, I have a bit of the hiccups.
I was filming a YouTube video. Why you hit me?
Because you look like an idiot.
Well, this YouTube video is about my new Supreme jacket. It's kind of hot around here. I'm going to take it off.
No, put it back on! Put it back on!
It's not fully on though.
Good.
I look like a stripper.
No, you don't. You're an idiot. I just had another hiccup because life hates me and I always have to have hiccups during videos and something happens. Ah!
Do you know I put fire ants in that drink?
You already told me. That's why I'm mad at you.
Yeah, what are you going to do about it?
You know what?
Is that meant to hurt?
I think that will.
I'm a bit drunk. That's going to leave a bruise in the morning.
You know? Alright, I'm gonna drive the car.
No! Supreme jacket, save me.
Ah! Get that stupid Supreme jacket out of here.
Magic Supreme jacket, go!
Ah!
My name's John Cena.
Ow! What did your character? Did the person who voiced you hurt his finger?
Yes.
Looks like it.
Stupid car.
You bloody idiot!
What happened to this car?
What happened to my car? Shit! Run! Ah! Let's go! You did it!
Catch me if you can.
No! Oh, god damn these hiccups! Get wrecked! Now I'm gonna run you over with my bike, even though I still have the hiccups. Alright.
Is that a Harley Davidson?
Yep. Sure is, because look at the white wall tires. No, I can't get it out!
Here, you want me to help?
No, because I'm trying to run you over.
Here you go.
Why is this car playing Justin Bieber?
I don't know.
Anyways, time to die.
No!
Oh, I forgot, you're immortal.
Yes.
Oh. Okay, I'll get you out, fine. That's what you get for destroying my car.
We're gonna have to end it here. Goodbye.
Alright, goodbye.